What's up guys, it's your boy Daniel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about Gold's Airdrop, the long forgotten Gold's Airdrop. And I decided to create this video because I want to fulfill an overdue obligation, which is guidance and direction on how to withdraw your Gold's Airdrop to your various Ton wallets. Okay, and I'm going to try as much as possible to be as fast as I can. We're going to go straight to the point so we don't bore ourselves out here, because time, they say, is precious. All right, so what we're going to do right now, first thing first, is to click on this very icon at the top right here. Now if you look right there, you see that is the total value of your goods assets, which you can see right here. Of course, that I have 11,000 goods, which if you sum up, it's not up to or more than $1. Okay, so the airdrop was a total flop, right? But if you want to withdraw your tokens right now, it's really easy, right? Let me just scroll down right here so you can see this clearly. Now if you look closely right here, you're going to see this plus icon right here. Okay, just click on this very plus icon. Now once you click on this, you're going to see three options, which is the deposit, withdraw, and buy goods. I see a lot of people playing different games in this very airdrop. I don't know the reason why they do that, because this is not something I would advise anyone to invest in. Don't get tempted to deposit anything right here. Just go straight to the withdrawal section right here and click on that. Now once you click on this, it's going to show you your total balance. Make sure you click on this right now. Now if you click on your total balance right here, you're going to see the option to withdraw. By default, it's going to show you the wallet you activated for this, which is our Ton wallet, right? And if you want to withdraw, or you can just go over here and click on max, and once you click on max, your total balance appears. But there's something you need to take note of. Your available balance is actually 11,251. This is my available balance, right? But the fee that I'll be charged is 100 codes. That is the fee that I'll be charged. And network fee, which is in Ton, which is something I need to deposit in my Ton wallet. The Ton wallet this codes will be arriving is 0.08 Ton. Now what is the value of 0.08 Ton to USDT? Now let's head over to Tonkeeper wallet to check that out. Right now, if we head over to Tonkeeper right now, okay, this is Tonkeeper wallet. I'm going to click on this very Ton right here and then click on swap right here. Now if I click on swap right now, this is going to bring us to the swap interface. Let's just give it some time. All right, so this is Ton to USDT, right? Make sure this is like this. Okay, so now I'm going to click on 1 right here and erase this. Then I'm going to type in 0.08 Ton, and you see right here, this is $0.26. Now come to think of it, what is the value of this? Okay, the total value of what I have here is just 0.7 USDT. Okay, the total value of this right here is 0.9 USDT, and I'll be getting just 0.7 USDT. Now this is a total flop. But if you want to withdraw, please make sure you take note of this wallet and make sure you still have access to this very wallet. If you don't have access to it anymore, you can just go ahead and click on this cancel button right here, and you'd have to connect a new Ton wallet you are sure of. Let me just head back to the home page right now, the home section of my Ton wallet, so you see how this works. Now if I head back to Telegram right now, what you're meant to do if you're doing this for the first time, or you're not just sure of the wallet you're connected, you can go ahead and click on connect right now. The question most people ask is, can you transfer to an exchange? No, at the moment you cannot transfer to an exchange. From what I even discovered this morning, it's obvious. You can't really trade goods on BitGet. I don't really know why that's happening. Maybe it's an update or something, but that's a new development I just discovered, and I don't really care because I don't really trade that. But you want to do this with Tonkeeper, right? Just go here and click on Tonkeeper and click on connect wallet right here, and this is it. Your wallet will be automatically connected, as easy as ABC. Then you can now go ahead and click on this very withdraw. But am I going to withdraw this? No, because I'm not even ready to give them the 0.26 Ton, right? I'm not ready to give them that. I'm just going to leave this here and we hope for the best, right? Had it been this was able to do $10, the total value of this right here was worth at least $10. Then I'll be willing to do this, of course, but it's just 0.7 cents, so it's actually nothing, right? You won't be burning 0.26 USDT for 0.7 USDT. I mean, it doesn't really make sense, but I'm just showing you this. And like I said before, the reason I'm doing it is to fulfill an overdue obligation. I'm supposed to have done this a long time ago, but I feel you should know this just in case any day goat decides to, become useful. The airdrop project decides to become useful, because you never can tell. The crypto space is unpredictable, right? So this is basically how you withdraw this. But if I click on withdraw right now, I'm not sure this is going to go through. It says you have insufficient funds, and that is because I don't have enough funds to cover for the gas fees. But this is basically how you do it, right? So what if you want to sell your goods on an exchange? It's simple. You can come to MEXC, right? This is what I found to be currently working out there. And if you notice right here, goods is actually moving this morning, and that's because the market is actually moving. If we open up CoinGecko right now, you see that the market is actually doing well. The crypto market has been doing well for a couple of days now, and that's why literally every token out there is increasing in price. Okay, so gold is not an exception. You can see it's just did about 6% this morning, but this is not a financial advice, right? Make sure you've done your due diligence before you embark on any trade or whatever, right? But MEXC is a place you can buy and sell your goods, as easy as that. With this, we've come to the end of this very video. If you did find the video interesting, do well to leave a like, share, and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on future updates. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.